Hey guys, today is Saturday, June the 22nd, I believe, or 23rd. I had to redo this oil pump screen, pickup tube, whatever you want to call it. I went ahead and took the other one that I had tack welded on here. I took it off. I got this other one that I had because I had bought two of them, and I pressed it on here, and it pressed on better than the first one did. And then I went ahead and brazed this onto here. It seemed to have worked out a whole lot better with the brazing rod and the torch. Kevin gave me the suggestion to go ahead and braze that, and it seemed, it worked out a whole lot better. You can tell that it took a whole lot better. And anyways, this thing is not going anywhere. I've beat on it and it's set where it's where it needs to be. Torque this bolt down to 65 foot-pounds. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to put the timing chain cover on permanently. Put the gasket on, so I can go ahead and put the oil pan and gasket and everything, so I can close this thing up on the bottom. I'm just gonna go real quick through here, check all the torque on these main caps and the pistons. I know I've torqued them all down because I went through and put a check mark with the Sharpie here to make sure that they were torqued, but I'm just going to give it a quick check and make sure I didn't miss anything there. And then the next deal will be I'm going to attempt to try to thread or tap this so I can have a bolt for the balancer, because this motor or engine has just a press in balancer, and it doesn't have a bolt holding it in. So Julian was making me something to try to get this tap straight. He said he was going to send me something, but I need to drill the hole. I think it's 2564 bit. I think I bought one last weekend. If I can find it, I don't know, I might have to go buy another one. But anyway, the goal is to drill the hole far enough and then tap it. Try to get a bolt in there. Probably 7/16. If I go 2564, and then be a 7/16, 7/16 20 thread bolt. So I don't know exactly when I'm going to do that, but I need to get it done pretty quick. Alright guys, I'm going to turn the camera off, and when I get things done, I'll turn it back on. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, Sam here. Today is July the 4th, 2018. Here's an update on the engine. I guess I like doing things twice. I don't know. I had the oil pan on, bolted, gasket, everything, timing chain cover on, and then I took it back apart because I was gonna drill this hole. This harmonic bouncer just goes pressed in, and there was not a bolt here. And then I have let's see, Julian made me this little tool here. So that's why I ended up taking the timing chain cover off, because I had to take the key off here, and I was able to slide this tool in here, and then I put my drill bit in here so I could drill a straight hole more or less. And this worked out great. Once I removed the key there, then I was able to insert that. It fits just right in the snout of the crankshaft. He gave me, he's the one, Julian's the one who told me to go ahead and thread this, and I just gave him the measurements of the outside of that crank, and he made this for me. So thanks, Julian, for doing that. 7/16 20, and I just went ahead and bought this. Where did I pick this up? Shoot, I don't even remember. Home Depot, I think. I'm not sure. Anyways, I was able to get that pretty straight, and I threaded it all the way up to here. The bolt is going to be about 2.4 thousandths of an inch, or 400 thousandths, however you say it. I have not got the bolt yet. I just ordered it. I think that will be long enough. See, somewhere here I had a somewhere up here I had a bolt. There you go. This is just a short one that I had laying around, but it did thread really nice, and so I was able to do that. So again, thanks to Julian for making me that tool, because that did help out to try to drill a straight hole there. Alright guys, I'll bring you guys back as soon as I get stuff done. Like I said, I'm moving pretty slow on this here, but anyways, hopefully we'll get it done. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, Sam here. Today is June the 8th or 9th, I don't remember. Let's see, June the 7th, or July the 7th, I'm sorry. Anyways, I'm lost. Look what I have there. I got the timing chain cover on. I got a couple of heads on there. I got the intake, but it's not installed completely. I just kind of got 2 bolts holding this on, 2 bolts holding that on. But this, just wanted to show you all the heads that I went with. So here's the box here. I got these sometime last week, I believe it was. Edelbrock, or however you say it. And I was trying to find the 6899 64cc heads, and supposedly they're made in the USA, so I guess that's good. And like I said, I don't have them torqued down or anything. Went ahead and got the ARP bolt set for the heads, for a 327 or 350 probably. Also, it came with that, came with some thread sealant, or assembly lubricant. Supposedly you put this on, I think, on the bolt, or the head of the bolt where the washer's at, and then also you use the sealant, which it didn't come with any, so I ordered some somewhere. I went ahead and ordered me some intake bolts for up here for the intake manifold. Oh, also got me a bolt for the balancer. I did end up threading that center of the crankshaft, so I will see if this here is the, I guess, balancer I'm going to go with. I think I showed this on one video before. It's fluid damper. But I was noticing on this one that once I get it in there, the timing marks don't line up. Let's see, I had it started the other day. So there is, I don't want to drop this darn thing. I don't know if the camera's picking it up with the glare, but there's 0 right here, and the 0 mark on this tab is way down here, and that's lined up with the key there. So I don't know what the deal is there, but this thing wasn't cheap. And let's see what other goodies I got. I think that was it. Oh, there it went. I've got a, sorry about the camera guys, I got a mess here I need to clean up too. Thread sealant from RMP. It's supposed to go on the threads where the head bolts go into that water jacket. So I'll put this stuff on the thread of the bolts. And I think that's it. Oh, got an extra package of this stuff. I don't know why, because it comes with this is fastener assembly lubricant. So this is two different things. I don't know. Part number 19909. Part number 19904. So one's a sealer, one's a lubricant. I don't know what the difference is. I'll have to research that. But anyway, these are the Performer RPM heads. Got the oil pan in, done, finished. So it's kind of late today. I'm in the process of painting my house too, so that's why I hadn't really worked on and doing maintenance work this summer on my house. So that's why I really hadn't got much done on the car. So this morning I was out there spraying what I could until I got kind of warm, and then I come in here and cool off and work in here for a little while. So the next thing I'm going to order will be I'm going to go ahead and get a distributor. I'm not going to use the distributor with the points. Then I'm probably going to get a carburetor, and then I'll see where I go from here. I did get a gasket set, intake, head gaskets. They're over here. So Feel Pro gaskets for the heads. I got some other stuff in there for the intake manifold. So that's that. I was looking up at some videos how to do the distributor. Vintage Iron found one of his videos where you pretty much line it up with the number 1 piston, the top side, stick it in there, and then then you rotate the engine and it pretty much falls into place, is the way I understood it. So I did try that the other day, and what do you know, it worked. I have the distributor here somewhere. So before I put the timing chain cover, I kind of messed around with it, and so you gotta get it pointing this way. Actually, it dropped in right there, but it's wrong, because I have the 2 dots on the timing are here. So when I turn this clockwise, one turn winds up the dot up here and down here. So another turn, they'll match up again. So once I get that, I have to basically set that distributor this way, set that towards the number 1. It's hard to do it with one hand. Somewhere, something like that, right there. Then I'll turn it over there, and this distributor will fall into place, and then when it makes its going back all the way around, then it should point to the number 1. Hopefully, anyway, because I don't think where it went in where it went in a while ago, it would not. I don't think it would work. Let's see. Yeah, right there. It's pointing over here. Anyways, well, when time comes, I'll mess with that. But I'm gonna go with distributor that doesn't have points. I guess I don't remember what they call it. I guess it's electronic ignition, pointless distributor. MSD or MDS or whatever that is. I don't remember what it is, or go with a different brand. I don't know if that would be a good choice to go with one without points, but we'll see. Alright guys, I'll bring you guys along if I get anything else done. I probably hadn't uploaded a video in a while, so I'll probably upload this one, parts of what I've done today on a video, and it'll probably be caught up. As far as videos, I don't think I'm anything behind now, but like I said, I really hadn't gotten much done because I've been doing maintenance on the house, outside painting, repainting the house, trim, windows, I mean around the windows. I have to replace a couple of windows in the back from that last hailstorm that we had, which was, I guess it was last year, or it's almost, yeah, I think it was last year, a year and a half, something like that. We had a big hailstorm. So after the insurance paid out, I mean, I've got the roofing done. When was it? I guess it was last year in 17, around November or so. They did the roofing, the shingles and everything on my shop, the house. So they paid up, insurance paid, you know, to do all the maintenance, painting and repair all the hail damage and stuff like that. So that's kind of what I've been doing this spring and summer. Little by little been doing that. Alright guys, I'll let you go now that I'm through rambling. So see y'all on the next vid then. Thanks for watching.